Good morning and welcome to PSG Silver Lake's market review for the month of March. I'm Rudolf Badenhorst and today I'm sitting here with Willem Visser, one of our stockbrokers. Willem, during the month of March, the ongoing war in Iran, what is the effect of the increasing oil price on the market, and what can the effect of the increasing oil price be on South Africa's inflation and interest rates?
Yeah, well, Rudolf, thanks. The effect of the oil price is very negative. There was a massive increase in the oil prices during the past month. The problem is it will lead to inflation if it stays here for a long time. And that changes interest rate expectations, not only in South Africa, but across the world. Everybody was expecting a few interest rate cuts during the course of the year. And now with the inflation picture changing, that picture changes, and that's quite negative for equity markets.
Due to the effect of the oil price and the inflation has a negative effect on the market. So markets being down and we sit with lazy cash balances. Do you think it's a good time to capitalize on the short-term volatility in the market currently to deploy capital into your current strategy or portfolio?
Yes, I think it gives you a bit of an opportunity. We had extremely strong markets over the past 12 months, both locally and abroad. And it was starting to get difficult to find good quality companies at a reasonable price. And that's changed a bit now. I think there are quite a few companies that came down sufficiently that it's looking quite attractive. Short term, you don't know what's going to happen. But if you have a long-term view, I think you can get quality companies at attractive prices.
Thank you, Willem. So I think it's really important that we stick to our current strategies that we have in the portfolios. Over the long term, the portfolios has still done really well compared to the last month's short-term volatility that we experienced in our portfolios. Short-term volatility has maybe offered us an opportunity to invest extra capital into our current strategies. And again, nothing that we going through the last month is something new. We've been through it, we've survived it on multiple occasions during the last 5 years. And I think we manage the portfolios actively, so they shouldn't be a concern. And thank you for joining us today. We'll see you guys next month again. Bye-bye.